The plumbing topics that pull in the most website traffic are water heater repair, clogged drains, leaky pipes, and toilet problems, with water heater issues almost always sitting at the very top of search results. Here's why that happens. Water heaters tend to break down without much warning, so when someone wakes up to a cold shower, they panic and start searching online immediately, which creates a huge spike in traffic for anything related to that topic. Something a lot of people don't realize is that search interest for water heater problems jumps dramatically during the coldest weeks of winter, because cold groundwater makes older units work much harder and fail faster. Clogged drains come in second because almost every household deals with them regularly, and people often try to fix it themselves before giving up and searching for a professional. Leaky pipes get searched a ton too, but usually only after someone notices water damage or a spike in their water bill, which means by the time they search, the problem has often been going on for weeks. If you run a plumbing business or a website, focusing content around these 4 topics, especially seasonal water heater content, can bring in steady and predictable traffic all year long. One common mistake is assuming toilet repair content gets huge traffic every day, when really it spikes hard around holidays and family gatherings when toilets get used more often. Another misconception is that people think slow drains are just a minor issue, but ignoring them for too long usually leads to a full blockage, so addressing it early saves a lot of money. A lot of folks also underestimate how often people search for pricing information before anything else, so being upfront and clear about typical costs on your website builds trust and keeps visitors from bouncing away. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message them back with their estimates.